Felix, the adventurous tabby cat, crouches low behind the couch, his eyes fixed on the sleek, whirring robot vacuum, which has just entered his territory. With a sudden burst of energy, Felix leaps from his hiding spot, aiming to surprise his mechanical foe with a daring pounce. As Felix lands gracefully on the vacuum's surface, he feels a rush of triumph, but that quickly turns to confusion as the robot zooms away beneath him. Determined to conquer his new arch-nemesis, Felix regains his composure and prepares for another strategic ambush from behind the armchair. With a swift motion, Felix springs out, claws at the ready, aiming to catch the vacuum off guard once more, but it swiftly changes direction.